name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product that not only I, but my little kitten has absolutely been loving. These are the Kittles Treats by Wellness. I absolutely am obsessed with these. So they are these tasty, crunchy cat treats, and I love that they come in little shapes. That just makes it so much fun to give to my cat. And treats are definitely a only once in a while type thing in my household, but I really feel confident giving my kitten these treats specifically. I love that the first ingredient on every single flavor is the meat of choice, and that there isn't a ton of filler. There's no wheat, which or any ingredients that cats tend to be allergic to or can't actually digest. So I really love that these are high quality, and I like that I got a variety pack here because I can give whatever he seems to like the most. And also I like to keep them in different rooms of the house. So each room I can kind of have a treat ready for him. So I really like that you get 3 here, and also it helps you to pick out which one your cat likes the most. So if you want to just continue buying that one, you have that option as well. But I really appreciate the quality of these cat treats. I love the cute little shapes that just makes it so much fun. And I love that you get a good variety pack right here. So I highly recommend these for your cat as well. Talk to your vet and see if these are something that your cat can take. And if they can, then I do recommend them. And that is my point of view.